Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Italk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. Let's go over what the goal of this week's light body is focusing on. This is a weekly light body calibration. What is the goal of this week's light body focus? Nurturing through touch. Your light body is focusing on nurturing through touch. Allow yourself to be held in a caring hug. And what I'm also receiving is physical touch. It doesn't necessarily have to be a hug, because I am aware that not everyone is comfortable with hugs. But even having the capacity to hug yourself, having the capacity to hug a pet, having the capacity to allow touching of fabrics that are soothing and nurturing to your light body, your soul. Where are you being upgraded energetically? Let's see what the reason of this physical touch is all about. I'm already receiving that there is something about us being in this new timeline and physically touching another living being can be reassuring that this new timeline is real. This new timeline is active. So let's see here. Know yourself. Meditate. Who am I? Veil is lifting and opening. So this does trail along with the energy I was feeling, that this is to know yourself in what timeline you are interacting with. This is also showing that while you hug someone, that energy can assist in gathering information on who you are through caring, affectionate touch. Even touching yourself with love and care and allowing yourself to be held within the meditation. So knowing yourself, who are you in this new timeline? Who are you when someone does go to shake your hand or provide a friendly hug? Who are you, and what is being lifted that never was yours in the first place? And I'm really seeing any uncomfortable moments of physical touch. I'm seeing that being lifted. I'm seeing that there may have been moments where you were not open to physical touch as a form of love, and now it's almost like, wow, who is this person that is allowing physical touch to nurture your light, your being? And it's no longer a trigger. So this is beautiful. If it is a trigger, this reading may not be for you. But if it is no longer a trigger, maybe it was a trigger in the past, but no longer that is the case, then most certainly this is a new opening of who you are in this new timeline. My goodness, that is a very prominent upgrade. Now, let's see which chakra needs maintenance as you dive deeper into who you are in this new timeline and how you allow yourself to be held by others. Third eye, pineal perspective. Oh, this is beautiful. So now, third eye chakra, this is tapping into Uranus, most certainly. So Uranus most recently went direct. And you are fully seeing not only how others are perceiving you in this new timeline, but now you are having the in on how you are seeing yourself in this new timeline. And it is a completely new perspective. When I say third eye is needing maintenance, your dreams, your visions, your ability to meditate upon yourself is heightening. And this is where working with your third eye chakra, working with your pineal gland, working with that masculine third eye of your abilities, because I'm seeing a lot of people during that Uranus retrograde received a lot of natural abilities that they are able to utilize, and they have been enhanced, and they're actually bringing you closer to people that are willing to hold you and love you. So this is really beautiful. Talking about people holding you and loving you, let's see who is supporting your manifestations this week. Who is supporting you in assisting those divine connections with people that can hold you? Who is supporting you in your meditations? Who is supporting your essentially third eye chakra awakening? Star children. So a star being is supporting you, whether it is your galactic soul family, whether you are a star being yourself, or just star beings in general. They are holding you. No veils. Veil is lifting. We're getting, there are no more hiding. There's no more covering up illusions. There's no more, I see hiding behind the bush. Everything is out in the open. Your psychic abilities, the ways that you live differently, cosmic inspiration, and the way your light body perceives this world. And these star beings are coming on in. If you are part of the Starseed Council on Patreon, I would go check that out, because there are a lot of star beings that are assisting us at this time, especially during this Uranus going direct and our abilities really tuning in. Now, if you are a starseed, this is saying that you are supporting yourself, this higher version of you, this version of you that is connected to the stars, is providing that inspiration. So for alignment, what needs self-care? For alignment, what is needing self-care? For you to dive into knowing yourself more and having your third eye chakra be completely unveiled, and to allow the star beings to assist in your manifestations, and allowing yourself to receive nurturing touches. Oh, the infinite. The infinite. You align with this by taking care of the eternal soul from within you. So this is everything. This is not leaving any aspect of yourself out of the mix. This is not only taking care of your mind. This is not only taking care of your spirit and faith, or only focusing on your physical body. This is taking care of all of those aspects as one. So taking care of yourself, all parts of you matter in this scenario. And I feel as though that is why the star children have shown up. That is also why Know Yourself showed up, because there are no veils. There are no hierarchies. There's only alignment. Your spirit isn't more important than your physical body, and vice versa. The emotions that you integrate are not more important than the mindset you are carrying to integrate those emotions and energies. And this is that beautiful third eye chakra perspective that we are integrating now with Uranus. So check out your Uranus placement. If you are in our Starseed Council, I would go check that out. If you are someone experiencing their natural abilities coming online now, or possibly waking up to your starseed attributes, check out my 2-month Quantum Reiki Life Coaching. That is a starseed verification plan that is on the website. There is no enrollment necessary for that plan, but hold yourself and allow others to love you that inspire you and see the infinite possibilities within you as well. Thank you so much for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it be star seed, angelic seed, earth seed, rainbow seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. If you are wanting the extra calibration keys and clearing keys, check out my Rainbow Sanctum on Patreon. That is where you will get more in depth of our readings and have personal cards drawn. Thank you so much. Namaste, blessed. Tend your seeds. Trust your light. I will see you next time.